want to make a pizza today. So that there's a bit of, what do you call it, liquid, and then I put the onion. You know, onion is a secret ingredient in our food. It gives more flavor to the food. And pizza is a seller. I don't care what this pizza is, as long as it's healthy. It can be meat lovers, it can be pizza spread. You know, sometimes I do corn and onion and lots of cheese. I want the people to enjoy their food. So you put meat. You know, remember I chop up the meat. If people pay a lot of money, people should get the amount of food that they paid for. And that is fair. Come look! Yeah, that's my boss. I have a very good manager, CEO, everything, community business manager. She's someone that's rolled into one. I met them very long ago in my travel. I worked for another business. And she was the manager already. Not just a manager, she's a community business manager. I love my boss. Her sister is very kind to me. They look after me. They were really good to me. That's why I love them. When people are good to me, I'm good to them too. They expect 100%. I give more than 100%. Because they were good to me. And that's what it is. It's not. Because people pay a lot of money. It's just like in the city. That's what's good about my employer here this way. They were really good. I really, really love them. Love is in your heart, you go a long way with love. Do you know that? Did you hear what I said? If love is in your heart, you'll go a long way with life. I do my job filled with loving kindness. We ran out of cheese. So I'm doing my own invention, my own creation. Yes, making a pizza.